Hello, welcome to the MODICIA O.S. guides. Today, in just a few minutes, we will show you how to use DCP-o-matic, a professional and open-source software integrated into MODICIA O.S. As you well know, the system includes only fully integrated, fully functional, professional-grade software. If you are film directors or professional creators, you will surely take part in film festivals or have clients who commission videos to be screened in cinemas. There are many ways and options to create a DCP file. It depends on the complexity and quality of the project you need to deliver. Today, we will show you the simplest method possible. Start DCP-o-matic, click on the new menu, give the project a name, and choose the directory where you want to save it. Now click the Add File button and import the video you prepared with Kdenlive in one of the supported formats. Once the file is imported, make sure it is supported and everything is fine by clicking play. Now, in the side color box, choose Rec. .709, which is the standard color space for TV and cinema. Next, go to the DCP box, check that the video has the correct colors, and in Content Type, select the type of project you want to create. Now choose in Container the output video format, the resolution, 2K is the standard, and the frame rate, 24 frames per second, is the worldwide cinema standard. Now go to the content box and remove the black bars by cropping the video. Then check again that everything looks perfect. Move to the audio box and click Calculate so that DCP-o-matic can check the audio levels. Now click on Graph of Audio Level and check that the audio peaks do not exceed the threshold, and verify that the channels highlighted in green are the correct ones for your audio, stereo, or 5.1 Dolby. Now go back to the DCP tab and check again that everything is configured as intended. Then go to the Jobs menu and click Make DCP. At that point, the creation of your film format will begin. It will take some time, more or less depending on the power of your processor and SSD. At this point, close DCP-o-matic once it has finished the conversion and export, and open DCP Player, which in MODICIA OS is already installed and configured, as always. Click on the File menu and then Open, and select the project folder containing the video files. Now carefully check that everything is perfect, both audio and video. Finally, you can compress your folder and upload it to a drive or to the cloud to share it with the client or the cinema.